due to the nature of the construction, having to switch between the cradle and the permanent stand for the boat. And the long and short of it is the hull keeps getting dirty, damaged, scraped. So I'm going to put the rudder on now and then permanently attach it to the board, because after the rudder is on, everything else is really going to be put on going up, and I don't need to take the boat in my hand to help apply anything. So that's the plan. We had to open up this hole here quite a bit. I'm still not finished with it, so I'm going to put the first set of the hinges on the rudder itself, which are the pinions, and the gudgeons which fit here. Once I can get the pinion on and see how it lines up, then I'll mark the gudgeons. Then I will paint the rudder separately and retouch the bottom, repaint everything, and that's hopefully the last time that any marks are going to get on the bottom. Peter Goodwin's book calls for 5 Pindles, while the plan shows that Granado actually had 4. So we're going to follow the Granado's plan. We are about to make the Pindle straps for the rudder. You take the small nails and you cut the head off, and then you bend a 3mm, which I have marked on I've marked it on the pliers, and you bend it to 90 degrees. And then you place it through the hole of the strap, put some CA on it, and push it in the rudder. And there you have 3 of the 4 already done. Just showing you, you'll notice I put lines on the side of the rudder. That's to help line up the straps as they go back. I would have preferred there's some purchase from Model Expo. You can buy these made up that are really fantastic. I decided to follow the kit in this case, and well, there are many ways to do the same thing. And we've stuck them with CA, and they look all lined up. And we may have to trim them a little bit to get the eye-rings in, but it'll be very, very fine. Well, here's the trial fit, and it seems to be working pretty good. Then on to making the gudgeons. You'll notice some lines on the hull again to try and line up to make sure all the straps are absolutely accurate. Paint both the rudder and the hull again for the last time. This is the finished product. We are very happy with what we see. Nice clean lines. We've got that nice white bottom again. And there was one thing I would do over. I would probably taper the rudder, which it didn't call for in the kit, but in the real boat it would have been tapered. So we're very happy with the result.